Luma AI has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in AI-driven 3D modeling and video creation. Their newest offering, Ray2, is a testament to this commitment. Ray2 is a large-scale video generative model capable of creating realistic visual with natural coherent motion. It has a strong understanding of text instructions and can take image, videos input. At least this is what they claim. Luma AI has expanded into image generation with the introduction of Photon 2. Like Photon is a text-to-image foundation model designed for professional creative artists and small businesses. It boasts speeds and cost 800% better than comparable models, aiming to bring the success Luma AI found with the video generation to other visual areas. In this video, we'll see some crazy VI video samples by Ray2 and Photon images to get an idea of how these models are actually performing in real world. I'm Aditya and you're watching SkillCurb. Now let's see the first video with prompted wide shot of a man in fur coat running through the snow and Antarctic with many explosions around him. Okay, so this video is really amazing. I mean, look at the explosion behind the man is running. Initially, the physics, the movement is looking very realistic. However, the fur coat movement is a little glitchy here, but I think it gets more updation and can be really good. This prompt gorilla surfing on a wave. Damn, look at it again. The water movement is very realistic here. However, humpback whale swimming through space particles is kind of funny video. Like the swimming movement is not very accurate. Let's discuss some cinematic scenes too, like there's a pirate ship in the raging sea. The scene looks very real, like literally very real. Another one is an artist with a curly dark hair and stained apron holding a paintbrush and plate intensely focused on large behind him. Okay, this prompt is also very detailed and the results are kind of very real. Another cinematic shot is an explosion with camera shake. This looks real, however the fire looks like a green screen chroma key. Another one is an African woman with fashion context. Okay, this is also the background and everything is just so real. Another one is a burning stern Viking ship with a Viking on the water against background at sea. This is also like one of the best cinematic scenes they have. Let's talk about people and expressions. They have a man plays saxophone. Okay, the expressions are really good. Another one is a young with a huge headphone, a young boy scrolling through his phone, Gen Z like. Alright, this is kind of very interesting, like how people and expressions are improved by AI day by day. Another one is a model blowing a kiss into camera, pastel tones. However, this looks really kind of AI thing, like the movement of face expression. Another one is a woman filming a live video next to her ring light. Okay, this is kind of vlogging prompt, but this again the eyes makes it look like a really AI thing. Another one is a muscular man influencer working out with a bright modern gym, and there are some videos like a cinematic character intimate close-up. Now let's talk about some other surrealism category here. They have an aliens close-up shot, award-winning scene of a man walking through a misty, and they also have world exploration category where in-scene camera through mountain Everest, in-scene camera flying through realm. Okay, there are a lot of category they divided to show how they actually created this model, and there's also visual effect category. You can see there are a lot of visual effect category to check on. There's also green screen too, like you can even make kind of CGI videos with a Ray2. There is also close-up shots like of a raindrop on leaf, close-up of a beer, close-up of lips, and like close-up of a dog snow sniffing. Okay, we cannot really imagine testing a video model without physics and simulation. Let's talk about this too. Okay, so there are some videos I found for Ray2. Let's see what they are actually. Explosion with the camera shake. The video looks almost very real, kind of very cinematic, with great texture with like the particles. Another one is truck diving in the Mexico jungle as it runs through puddles of water. This is also very cool. Like another one is raindrops in extreme slow motion, and there are other videos too, like a campfire. Another one is a violinist performing in a rainy. However, this looks kind of the movement of rain and drops can be a little fake, but again that's on the training mode, so it's all fine. Okay, now let's talk about Photon, the image generation model by Luma AI. Now they claim they have an ultra high quality delivery and 10x higher cost efficiency. Okay, so let's see some data they provided on their website. Here in a large-scale double-blind evaluation, Luma Photons outperforms every model on the market in the quality, creativity, and understanding, while being radically more efficient. For example, 60% means images from Luma Photon is preferred 60% of times over other models. Okay, you can see they have mid-journey, flux, and recraft, ideogram, stable diffusion, and on the orange side they have Luma. You can see on the graph on your screen. It's pretty simple to understand. They also have a chart on the table. You can see that on your screen. Now let's talk about how the images look like, and you can even try out. Before trying out their model, you can see some of the model images on their website. Like one is photorealistic cat made out of peeled orange. Okay, this is some fun photo. Let's talk about some realistic one, like like a cinematic still film noir 1940s woman driving in a car and smoking cigarette. This one looks really good. Another one is a detective in a trench coat, hands stands outside. This one is also good. Another one, this cat's images working. There are so many examples in their website, like this car one, chrome sports car by the sea, different kind of sci-fi examples. And not only this, they have some cool features, like another one is manga mechanical chest bone style image. Another good thing I can see here is a powerful new image reference system, like application built with Luma Photon will be able to let users express intent by promoting with multiple images. You can see on the video how it works like. Another thing is consistent character from a single input. Yep, Luma Photon has the unique capability of create consistent character with just one input, currently now beta, but placing them in scenes with simple instructions. With this ability, it's now possible to create stories and campaigns with the same characters appearing across generations. So yeah, there's a lot of problem we face when we see the consistent art lacks most of the images model. Like whenever we create a character in the next generation, the character looks really different from the previous one. So this is really problematic when it comes to making story and like visual graphics for a campaign. Okay, let's see how can we create such images with Luma AI. We can go to the dreammachine.lumalabs.ai. Here now we can finally create some good really images. Like let me show you what I did. I prompted for a bike sitting alien with a fire bike. You can see the results are really good, and the best thing about I saw it gives you a lot of flexibility when it comes to about changing the prompt, different creativity style. You can enhance it. You can click on some particular words like alien. Here you can click on alien. You can change it to a man, woman, child, robot, riding a black. You can change the color, neon, gold and silver. Means you can change it to jet scooter, dragon motorcycle. This looks really authentic. I mean, just clicking on that, you can generate another images. For example, if you choose jet scooter, you can get jet scooter instead of the bike. And if I say human, you can see the human result, how the human one looks on the bike. I think the results are really good when it comes to comparing to the other models by the giving creative flexibility. Not just this, you can see I prompted scooter and you can see the jet scooter on the way. You can even change it. You can change it to in the videos too, like just combine two videos and it can generate a video too. However, if you're not a pro user, means you don't have a subscription for this, it can take a lot of time. While if you have a pro member and a great plan, you can go and simply just generate a lot of good videos too. You can see this video where the camera zoom out cinematic. A gentleman leans on a retro futuristic car under street light. This video is a 5-second video, but you can see how this looks like. You can even see can we make a car a bit retro. Then he changed it to a retro car, while the initial car was a kind of modern car. You can see the images, the everything physics, and looks creatively good. Like you can see I gave a prompt of retro futurism car commercial with a gentleman, and it gives a futuristic car with a gentleman look. This looks really good, a cyberpunk vibe. And when it comes to like generate a scene with a film noiring lighting highlighting a gentleman's beside the retro futuristic car, you can see the black shadows look. It looks really cool, like how models are improving.